grandma back here driving behind me, y'all. She all up on my booty. Ma'am, please don't hit me because I'm hungry. We're gonna have to wait for the insurance company. And I just cannot. I cannot.
Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby. Can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you. Just wanna be with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. You guys, so today has been such an interesting day. I have been working on my vision binder that I showed you guys. I am almost finished, you guys. Almost finished, but not quite. So tonight, well, let me tell you about today. Today I went to work, as you guys know. We had T-Mobile come out there. You guys, they was giving out great deals to people who came out there, great plans. They brought their cool little truck out there. Also on top of that, they gave out swag bags to the kids. They had a whole bunch of like cute stuff in there for the children. So that was eventful. They actually took my entire work day. Well, actually not my entire day work day, but like my work day from 2:45 all the way up to 6. That is what I was doing all day. People were able to come out to the center and get them new phones or update their contracts or update their phones, get just new contracts. It was just a lot of things going on, but at the same time it was really fun. The kids had an amazing time. The kids took pictures. It was just so much fun, but it was like 77 degrees when we started out there, and then by the end it was almost 65. So yeah, we were sweating at one point and freezing by the end. It was just totally crazy. But I'm getting ready to go ahead and do a video tonight. I want to do a get to know me tag. That's probably going to be out before this. Would it be out before this video? I don't know, but if it is, I'll put the little I or put it down below. I'm gonna do the get to know me tag because I have never did one on this channel before that I can actually remember. So it's a lot of new guys on here. I think we're at like 1.5 or something like that followers. I'm really not sure. I really don't remember where we're at with followers. Let's see, we are at 1.05K followers. So I appreciate you guys for following me on this journey, doing life together and all that other jazz on this channel. So pause, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I see you guys watching, but y'all ain't have subscribed. Don't be scared, boo. Don't even be scared. Just hit the subscribe button because, baby, if you're watching, we already what? Family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you hadn't already. So I'm getting ready to record that video tonight and probably edit. It's 8 o'clock. Maybe edit that video tonight because I want to get them out. So update on my, what is it, upload schedule. So my upload schedule is probably going to be Mondays and Fridays is what I'm looking at. I feel like it'll just, those are good days right there for me. And then if I have like an extra video, it'll probably be, I was supposed to upload a video. Crazy. If it's going to be an extra video, it's going to be on a Wednesday. On a Wednesday, so.
Do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit.
Hey y'all, happy Thursday. We are definitely, I know we started the vlog very late yesterday because we started on a Wednesday night. But you know, Monday and Tuesday I was editing videos, trying to get those all edited and then uploaded and scheduled so I could stay on this schedule that I have for myself on Mondays and Fridays, because I believe I told you guys I want to treat YouTube like a real job. You know what I'm saying? It's a hobby, yes. However, oh, my keys went flying, y'all. Hold on, put them over here in the thing. But I want to treat it like a real job, you know, because if it was a project. I would have to get it done on time, in a timely manner, and I would have to like schedule it in or whatever. So that's what I was doing on Monday and Tuesday, so I wasn't able to actually record. And last night too, I believe I was doing that. But my day consists of, y'all, this road, hold on, it's Alabama. We have some raggedy roads for our sales tax to be 10%, just taxes in general be 10%, crazy. But anywho, I am currently headed to, I'm just about to tell y'all, look, okay, I am currently headed to Kohl's this morning. PJ went to bed, because y'all know he worked night shift, so, and we went to the gym right when he got off work. So by the time he actually got in the bed, y'all, this morning, it was like 8 o'clock, and it was like light. It was so much sunlight out there. It's not a lot of sunlight, it's cloudy, but you know, when you're trying to go to sleep, it's too much sunlight. And so he was laying in the guest bedroom because I was moving around, getting dressed, and it was just, I was doing a lot this morning. So he went to the guest bedroom, and it was just, I felt so bad that it was so bright in there. So while I was supposed to be getting dressed, I went online to Kohl's and I ordered some blackout curtains. I ordered them in pearl, and I believe they're 84 inches. I couldn't remember if they had to be 84 or 96 inches for our windows. I don't really remember. So I bought the 84 inches blackout in a pearl color, because the ones up there now is white with gold design. So we're just gonna take those down. Hopefully these work. If not, I'm gonna have to come up with another plan, because I don't have one. Yeah, and then probably before I even go to Kohl's, they said my order was ready, so they open at 10 o'clock. And I hate to blow my horn at people, but go. We was just sitting at the green light. Anywho, I don't know what I was saying, but I'm super hungry. Super hungry. I did not eat breakfast for real. I ate like a couple pieces of fruit, and it's not working for me right now. I'm super hungry, so I'm probably gonna go to Kung Fu Panda. Y'all, I'm going to Panda Express and getting a plate. So I'm probably gonna get like their shrimp, white rice or brown rice or fried rice, some type of rice. And y'all already know I'm gonna get those super greens. But what I was saying, I remember, yeah, I ordered this morning, the curtains this morning, and then at 10 o'clock, they opened at 10 o'clock. They said that my order was ready. So I am putting on down over there before I go to work. So I gotta be at work at like 11. So it's like 10:15ish, something like that. What time is it? Yeah, 10:15, 10:16, 10:15, 10:16. So I'm about to fly over there to get there, and then I'm gonna get me something. Grandma back here driving behind me, y'all. She all up on my booty. Ma'am, please don't hit me, because I'm hungry and we're gonna have to wait for the insurance company. And I just cannot. I cannot. So please get out. What's poppin', y'all? So it is 7:32. I'm not just getting home from work. I have been home for about maybe an hour now, maybe an hour, but I've been talking on the phone. So what I'm getting ready to do is cook some chicken, y'all. I'm about to bake some chicken. So I have like a recipe in mind, but I feel like I'm about to freestyle it. Like, I don't know, some days I just be like, I'm gonna freestyle. So I think I'm going to bake some chicken. I was gonna air fry some, but I don't feel like getting out the air fryer, y'all. So I'm wondering if I can bake some chicken in a cast iron skillet. So we gonna see what we can do. You feel me? Maybe you do, maybe you don't, but that's what I'm ready to do. So let's just see what happens. Okay, y'all, so these are the curtains that I have up here currently. They are super thin. I don't know if you can see through them, but they're super thin. So we're gonna see if the new curtains, let me open them, work. Alright, so these are the curtains I bought here. They almost look like they match the wall. I'm a little nervous, y'all. Like they almost match the wall. So let's see if we can take these down. Okay guys, so this is what they look like. They look very plain. Hold on. They definitely need to be steamed because they were like wrinkled up. But I might get this steamer and steam them. I think I'm gonna put them on backwards. Okay. This is what they look like, but they kind of match the wall. What do you guys think? I'm definitely about to steam these. Y'all, look at this chicken though. Yes, I just took a bite of it. It is delicious. Highly recommend trying it. It is so juicy. It'll go good with some green beans, some broccoli, or even on a salad, y'all. Delicious. Good morning, y'all. I think you guys are still in the same spot. I remember the last clip, I'm not sure, but it is 7:47. I've been up since 7 o'clock. Well, actually 6:58 if you want to be technical. 6:58. I'm supposed to be working out, so I'm just gonna get on my bike this morning. I'm really tired. I don't say I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired. Not sleepy, just tired. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my pre-workout and we're gonna get on this bike, y'all. Get on this bike. It has not been an eventful week. So yeah, let's just get to this bike and let me stop procrastinating, y'all. But let me get this pre-workout in or I ain't gonna make it. So you guys already know I use the bucked up pre-workout in the flavor watermelon. So I just usually just get some cold water here, and I don't really measure my water out like the thing tells you to do, but I just put a little bit in there, not too much. There's actually more than I'll probably put in there. Put me a scoop of this in there. Then I'm just gonna stir this thing up. Then I'm just gonna chug it down. I'm just going to chug it down. And usually while I'm waiting for my pre-work to kick in, sometimes I straighten up the kitchen while I'm waiting. And as soon as I get like that first tingle, I'm like, time to go work out. But this morning, the kitchen's pretty clean. I just got like these two pots right here I need to set up, but I need to go ahead. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna start the dishwasher this morning or not, because it's full, but it ain't like full.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you.
You do that, but I am gonna stay seated the entire ride. Our low impact rides are meant to be seated.
That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard.